Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing an Ipsy unboxing. I'm excited, but before we go and dig into this box, what we got this month, I have an announcement to make, and that is there are so many people out there who are facing problem with their skin, and they want to choose, they want to go for different kind of treatment. Sometimes the treatments are not working out for them, and sometimes it happens that they can't afford it. So I am going out in the market in shopping for all the kind of treatments available in the market right now. I'm trying to get more option, or to search or look out for more options for the people who wants to improve their skin tone. people ताकि आप लोग पिक एंड चूज़ कर सकें अपने हिसाब से, कौन सा चीप है, कौन सा बेस्ट है, कौन सा बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट्स प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, किसकी परफॉर्मेंस सबसे अच्छी है. तो आई एम इन द हंट राइट नाउ for only and only for you guys, and I want to provide much information as I can. So lately I went to a microdermabrasion session with one of the certified spa and salon, और उसके ऊपर मेरा पूरा वीडियो है which is going to upload really soon. I'm going to be uploading this Saturday at 9 a.m. in the morning. Don't forget to click on that bell button because that is going to notify you when I am going to upload my next video. Alrighty guys, so let's go ahead and unbox the Ipsy bag. I already know because I have to try some of the products bare face, so I know what is inside the box. Let's just unbox it for you guys. Excuse me. Okay, so first impression, I love this bag. I love it so much. It's so beautiful. Look at these butterflies. Oh my god. And more than butterflies, I think the color combination and the nudes, the pinks, the lavenders, the purples. It's such a beautiful bag, and this color is my favorite when it comes to makeup. I love all nudes, nude eyeshadows, nude lipstick, nude everything. I love nude color, and look at this pretty beautiful nude color. This bag is always going to be close to my heart. Thank you so much. Finally, Ipsy, I should say that you actually got me to fall in love with the bags as well. So yes, this bag, just for the bag, a big thumbs up. First product which comes in my hand. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Okay, this is what the, look at this beautiful bag and the theme of this month, social butterfly, of course. Oh, look at these. Oh my god, I love this phone case. Beautiful. First product which comes in my hand is this tube, and it says it's a philograph illuminating soothing radiance mask. Let's just apply it on our face and what this is about, and let me give you the review on this. So as there is no instruction written on the tube, so I don't really know, I probably have to go on the website. Okay, yeah, so on the website it says that to get your glowiest skin ever, what you have to do is wash your face and pat dry, massage a thick layer onto your face and leave it for 15-20 minutes, and then rinse it with lukewarm water after 20 minutes. So let's do that. Well, as per the information on the website, it says that this mask is infused with collagen and elastin, which seriously hydrates, smooths, and softens your skin. The creamy texture melt right into your skin, leave it plumped up, luminous, and ready for makeup application. Going for dewy glow, if you want to go for the dewy glow, this does it all. Mask is also charmed for brightening, firming, toning, and minimizing fine lines. Whoa, that's awesome. I can feel a little bit of cooling effect, like my skin is getting a little cooler while I'm putting this on my skin. Hey, so I just took shower. Excuse my nails. The mask I don't think it did anything to my skin, to be very true. Maybe it could be a reason that I am going for another microdermabrasion session treatment. And that video is gonna be uploaded soon, every Saturday at 9 a.m. in the morning. So don't forget to check that out. Coming back to the skin, I don't feel any difference at all, and my skin looks as it is. As the tube says, it's a luminous mask, and it's going to provide some kind of luminosity, kind of glow to your face, and it actually did nothing. So yeah, I don't know. I just leave it up to you guys. You guys decide, because every skin is different. So probably it might work on your skin, but it did nothing, absolutely nothing on my skin. Yeah, let's move on. Cool. Okay, let's move on. So the next product I got in my bag is this guy right here. It's a beautiful jar, and it actually reminds me of Anastasia Beverly Hill products. I mean, the packaging is so quite similar to Anastasia Beverly Hills. So let's see what exactly this is. This is called banana setting powder. So it's a banana setting powder. Let's get into the application. Okay, this is how it looks. It's time to remove everything. As I applied this on my face, I tell you guys, like, I'm not really a big fan of this powder. Reason being is because this is way too thick on my face, and I actually feel like it settled down into my fine lines. Especially if I come closer to the camera, you can see that it's all in here, and also it kind of makes my skin very thick. It feels like I'm wearing something on my face. However, when it if I compare this to my RCMA no color translucent powder, that actually just vanish. Once you apply it on your face, it immediately vanish somewhere. You don't feel like that you are wearing a lot of something on your face. You know what I mean? Like, I after applying this on my face, I feel like it's a layer of thick powder, and it makes my skin look very matte and little dry. You know what I mean? Like, if you have like a layers of makeup, it actually looks and feel that way. So I'm not really a big fan. I would give this a pass. Not my kind of a product. I still have to hold on to my RCMA powder, because that's a wonderful powder. It's not as thick as this one is. Moving on, the next product I got is this. It's a tweezer, and I'm very particular about the tweezer because I don't know about you guys, but for me, like, I have to, get used to any new tool or product, especially when it comes to tweezers. So, every tweezer is different, and, you have to, like, sometimes work with the angle to make sure that you have a nice grip to it. Um, I hope you guys are getting what I mean. This is kind of okay product. This is okay. This is good. Next product is this tube, and this tube says it's a hydrating treatment, H2O beauty hydrating treatment. How to use? Of course, definitely. Thank you so much for providing the instructions right here at the back of the tube. So after cleaning and toning, massage gently onto the face, neck, day and night for best result. Apply over your favorite beauty serum. So they have a beauty serum, and they recommend you to use this after using the serum. So I just applied this particular tube on my face, and I'm ready to give you my take on this particular product. Once I applied this on my face, I first thing was like, this product is really thick. So if it is a treatment, if it is a serum, or whatsoever it is, I think the good part is it's very thick, and mostly I feel like that if you are applying anything of such kind of treatment, especially when it is thick, it kind of absorbs more into your skin. That's just my thinking, my opinion, my thought process. But yes, this I felt really good after applying it, because as you can see right now, I just washed my face and applied this on my face, and I feel that my skin has gone really tight and it has toned a lot. And also this has provided a little bit of glow to my skin. It doesn't make any sense to give you a first impression or how I feel like first I initially apply any product or any skincare on the skin, because skincare is something which takes a little time to get used to. And you if you want to see some results, it's gonna take some time, like at least week or so. So right now, I'm just telling you what I feel, what I felt like after applying this, but I still have to try more. I have to see how it works, as it recommended that if you have to use it early in the morning, you can use it before going to bed at night. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna finish up the tube and let you guys know. Okay, the last product I have in the box is this guy right here. It's a Nick soft matte no lip cream. Oh, it's a lip cream. It's like, I think I have it already. Oh yes, I have it already. Okay, yes, I do have it. This color already in my collection, so this gonna go in the giveaway bag. I'm soon will be coming with a giveaway as well, so subscribe to the channel and click on the ring button. This bag is so adorable. Oh my god, I can't stop looking and staring at this one. So good. Soon I'll be going for a cruise vacation, I think. Yes, that vlog is coming soon too. Great bag. This was, all the products were really good except the mask thing. And I think that's not because of there is something wrong with the product. It might work amazing on your skin. Right now, as I said, I'm going for a treatment. So again, my skin is not like a normal skin. I am having these peeling days. Sometimes it's really dry because of the treatment. So this bag is a thumbs up. Thank you so much, Ipsy. And I did revise my all my choices, all my likings and everything on the website. I did that. So hopefully next month onwards, I'm gonna get some different kind of products to try on for you guys. So stay excited. Don't go anywhere. Subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, in the next unboxing. And also don't forget, the Saturday video is really important for all you guys who are facing any sort of problem with your skin. So yeah, that's going to be really important. Don't forget to watch that video. I will see you in the next video. Until we meet next, it's me, Savvy, signing out, saying bye.